Hi guys, this is Tablet-News.com and I'm here finally with the Microsoft Surface RT tablet for an unboxing. It's quite a big box, as you can see right here, and now I'm going to pull the device out of the box, reveal it to you. You should probably know that this product has been launched around the time of November and we have finally received it for testing purposes. The cheapest version of the Microsoft Surface RT tablet costs $499. So here it is. The tablet is sold in 32GB and 64GB versions. This is the famous tablet that everyone's talking about with Windows RT. There's a Windows 8 Pro version coming up. It will be available around February, as far as I've heard. So this is the famous tablet with the magnesium cover and the 10.6-inch display. Quite big bezels, if you ask me. It's actually heavier and bulkier than I expected. There's a Microsoft commercial out there with people doing breakdance and dancing with the tablet in their hands. They must have some pretty strong arms if they can breakdance with this thing. That's actually pretty heavy at 680 grams and it measures 9.4 millimeters. If I'm not mistaken, it's around 1 full millimeter thicker than the Asus VivoTab RT, another Windows RT tablet. Okay, let's see what's inside the box, aside from the tablet itself. So obviously we got a bunch of manuals here. Some manuals, leaflets and stuff like that. Pretty basic manual showing the headphone jack, volume button, USB, HD video out, micro SD, behind the kickstand apparently. And finally this manual. Okay, and the accessories, well, there's actually only one. A very interesting charger, very interesting design. These pins to connect to an adapter if your socket does not fit it. And finally, this connector for the tablet. It reminds me of the pins of the Nexus 7 that you can use to connect to a dock. So let's see how these pins can connect to the tablet. As you can see, we have right here the corresponding metallic pins that connect to this. And it should go something like this, or maybe they're on the side. Excuse me, yes, they're on the side. My first contact with the tablet, and let's see how we can get this right. Okay, here we go. That's the way to charge the tablet. Simply connect it like this and then you're all set. Very interesting charging mechanism. I haven't seen one like this before. Usually they rely on a proprietary port or micro USB or something like it. And this is how you open up the kickstand, the very famous kickstand of the tablet at 22 degrees. So let's put the box aside and let's enjoy the tablet with its kickstand. Here we go. Microsoft Surface RT, once again $499 in the cheapest version. And now closing up the famous kickstand. That's actually the theme of its commercial. And on off button, pressing it right here to start up the device. So in case you're wondering about specs, well, this model has a clear type HD screen that's 10.6 inches in diagonal and has a resolution of 1366 over 768 pixels. It's a widescreen 16:9 and it's a 5-point multi-touch display. Inside we have a quad-core NVIDIA Tegra 3 CPU plus 2GB of RAM. We also have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, and inside the device there is a lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 31.5 watt-hour. We also have two cameras on this device. There's one at the front with HD capture right here at the top, and also at the top back once more with HD capture. There are stereo speakers on board of the device, two microphones, a USB 2.0 full port. So this is the full USB port right here. This is one of the speakers right here, and the other one here next to the audio jack. So speaker here, audio jack, volume buttons. Let's see what else. From what I know, there should be a HD port around here. So since this is the USB port, I guess that this may be the HD port. And let's see what's under the kickstand, since from what I understood, the micro SD card slot should be hidden here. So as you can see, I hope you can see, the version of the tablet is written here. So it's the 32GB version. Very interesting way to brand the product even here. Okay, so apparently there should be the micro SD card slot right here. Very interesting integration of the micro SD card slot. Okay guys, this is it when it comes to the tablet. First contact, excuse the strange moment with the charger where we couldn't actually find the port to charge the device, but once again, first contact. You should probably know that the device also has an ambient light sensor, an accelerometer, we have a gyroscope on it, compass, and the thickness, as I said, 9.4 millimeters and 680 grams on this slate. We'll be back with a full review in a couple of days. Till then, you probably know Windows RT from our other reviews, and we'll connect the tablet to the net, download some games, and check out some applications on this slate. For now it seems to be moving quite well. I wasn't happy with the way some of the apps were opening up on the other Windows RT tablet I tested. They took a long while to open up, and I guess that this is happening yet again, but we'll see in the full review of the Surface RT over the following days. This is Tablet-News.com. Hope you like the unboxing, and we'll be back with more soon. Bye bye.